everyone, I'm Lena from Cooking with Bean, and today we're going to be making some super seed protein balls. This recipe was taken from the Oshigos website. We'll leave a link in the description. To make these super seed protein balls is you're going to need some salt, chocolate chips, vanilla, cinnamon, hemp seed, sesame seed, chia seed, cocoa powder, and some dates. I'm going to put all the ingredients in. So now you want to mix it up. It wasn't plugged in. Oh, it was. So if you feel like it's taking way too long, I like to add a couple extra dates. So once it's all stuck together, you're going to want to roll it into small balls. I like to stick mine in the freezer for a little while before putting them in the storage container. That way they don't stick. They make a great snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more healthy cooking with Bean.